Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to reset the registry in Windows 11 to default settings. Let's go start. Press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, select and click on Registry Editor. Go to File and click Export to back up the Registry Editor file. First, the declaration of the file location and file name. Click Save. This software link already added the video description and click on Soft. I agree and click on Next. This is installation file location. Next click and after finish. Now we are going to the installed file location. Now minimize the file. Code copy and paste on the notepad as a save.bat file. This has already been added to the description. I'm using file name Reset Registry. Click Save. Close the notepad. This bat file, create and copy this. Open the folder for the installed software path and paste it. Now we'll go to the address bar and copy the link for the address bar. Close the window. Press the Windows key, type CMD, select and click on Command Prompt as administrator. Will be open CMD interface. Now type here CD and paste the copied link of the address bar. Enter pass. Type dir and enter. Creating bat file name already show in. Now type here file name and enter. A few minutes to wait for your reset registry. After completed, then restart your PC. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.